What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Hey, you're trying to figure out how to put the strap on the Sony A7riii or the Sony A7riii, that's a lot to say. But I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is how you're going to put your strap on the Sony. It's going to come like this with this little piece here. What you need to do is go ahead and unwind this. So you push this out. Best thing I found out is to lift this up first, then this, and then push this through here. And then pull. And that goes like that. So now that you have this piece here, you're going to take it and make sure that it's all level out. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take this and make sure it's about the same length as the other one. And then you're going to feed this piece through that. Then from the bottom here, lift up. Feed it back through the little plastic loop. Oh, come on. It's a little tight. So it's got to look like this. And then you feed this up like this. Take this guy, feed him through the first loop, and then bend this down and get it inside the other side of the hole. Like that. And then give it a little bit more and then pull. Like that. And then take this piece and push down to tighten it up. It's on there now. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Alright guys, so that's how you put the strap on the Sony. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Peace out.